This LeetCode challenge is called Ransom Notes, and it's a very interesting one. So given two strings, ransom notes and magazine, we have to return true if we can construct the string ransom notes by using only the letters from the magazine string. Otherwise, we have to return false. Each letter in magazine can only be used once in ransom notes. What this really means is that we need to get enough occurrences of the correct characters in magazine to construct the string ransom notes. So here we have only one B in magazine and we have to construct A. So we don't have any A inside of magazine, so we have to return false. Here we have double A. We can't construct double A using A and B, so we also return false. But here we have to construct double A. We can using this part, double A, from magazine. So in this case, we have to return true. This here is my solution. First, I'm going to use the classic technique to count the occurrences of characters inside of a string. And you've seen me use that method multiple times on this channel. I'm creating an integer array of 256 characters based on the ASCII system. And at first, I'm setting all the values in my array to 0. Now I need to count the characters in ransom notes. So I'm looping through my ransom note string, character by character, and I increment the count of every character inside of that string. So that's how you do it. Now I need to check if my magazine string has enough characters, and I'm talking about distinct occurrences here, if it has enough characters to construct the ransom note string. So let's say that ransom note here has a double A. This means that inside of this counter array, the position for the string A based on its ASCII decimal representation, that index for the character lowercase a is going to have the number 2. That is the value that we're going to have at that index after this for loop. So in here, I can try and reduce the value at that index anytime I encounter the lowercase character a inside of magazine. And I can have a third loop here to find out if all the values inside of my counter array are 0. If at any point I find that a value is not 0, it means that I did not find enough occurrences of the concerned character in magazine. If all these for loops were able to run normally, then it means that we can return true because the array was found to be all zeros. So that's the solution there. If I submit this, we pass everything. So that's it for my solution. If you like it, please subscribe and I'll catch you next time.